Should I try it?
Boys, it's freezing. Look at that. How cold is that? Oh.
Not gonna lie. And look at this. I'm just gonna stick that in right there.
Look at my nigga Sly Cooper, bruh. Done froze to death, bruh.